What's up everybody, this is Carmezy back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at a PS4 controller. So the issue I'm having with my PS4 controller is with the D-pad. So some of the D-pad works like half the time. My bottom arrow key doesn't work at all. So go ahead and check it out. So these ones are working fine right now, left and right. Up is working fine, but I can't go back down. And then I go back down with the analog, go up, can't go back down with the bottom arrow key. So my bottom arrow key doesn't work at all. So of course that's an issue. I want to get it fixed. So we're gonna try to clean it and see if we can fix it. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take apart our PS4 controller. So I already went ahead with the process. I cleaned the little touchpad for the D-pad, and yeah, it's working fine now. It was just really mucked up. Even the screws were pretty dirty on this. Got this second hand, so yeah, that was the problem with it. It was just dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did. And yeah, so right off the bat, we're gonna get our handy dandy screwdriver, and we're gonna take 4 screws out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after you guys have those screws popped out, you're gonna go ahead and take off the shell. And just be aware when you take off the shell, there's a ton of these little tabs that snap into place. Some of these were actually already broken on mine. I guess this had been taken apart before, but just be aware. You want to try to not break those. The ones on the bottom are still intact. What I did to help me take those off is I have these actually little like pry tools. I got them on eBay, and just kind of help to work your way underneath it. But the easiest way to do it is to kind of pop the 2 sides first and just kind of work your way down. So once you have those popped out, you can go ahead and lift this up, and just be aware there is a cable connected. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that and just lift up, disconnect that, put it to the side, and then we have our battery right here. Go ahead and lift that up, and then we're just gonna disconnect it right here. So go ahead and grab that, and then that just pops right out of place. And then we could go ahead and undo this screw right here. And this black piece will just pop up. And then there is another ribbon cable right here for the touchpad on the front. So you go ahead and just, mine was already disconnected, but yeah, go ahead and just disconnect that. And then we're gonna pop everything up. So you just pop one side, pop the other side, and then just lift up. Let's see what it's hung up on. It's hung up on something. Oh, it's just hung up on the ribbon cable. The little blue piece right there. Get my handy dandy pliers. I can slip that underneath. There we go. Made that way harder than it needed to be. Got hung up on a little ribbon cable. So yeah, there's all our buttons right there and our touchpad. And then slide that back in. There we go. But yeah, so once you get to this point, everything's right here. And then you could disassemble more. I'm not going to show you how to disassemble any more than that. Well, what I just did was I got an alcohol wipe, and I just wiped down the little parts for the D-pad, and now it's working fine. I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble it, and then yeah, show you guys. Alright guys, so we're back. I kind of fixed the controller a couple days after I actually initially shot it being broken. So that's how I got a haircut. You know, I was busy. But anyways, so my controller is working now. It's connected. And yeah, all my D-pad buttons are working. If you remember, I couldn't go down on the D-pad before. So yeah, everything's working. So I'm happy to have my D-pad again, so I could heal myself in PUBG. But yep, working controller again. So I'm glad it wasn't anything bigger than that. It just needed to be clean. So yeah, hopefully if you're watching this video and you had the same issue, this helped you out. Yeah, if you found this informative, go ahead and like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.